Hey, what's up, you guys? I'm back with a very special episode of Action Figure Unboxing with Steve. Today I've got 3 packages to go through, and one of which is different, not a Marvel Legend. So, let's start with this one. And then for the other 2, one of them I'm 100%, well, not 100%, but I'm like 90% sure I know what it is because I got the notification that something was delivered and a package showed up, so pretty much saying that it showed up. But like I said, I have so many things coming that like there's a lot that I don't know what's what, and so one of them for sure, this little one, is a complete mystery. I don't know what it is, but this bottom one I kind of have a clue. So anyway, getting into this one now. It is a DVD, but what DVD is it? The Avengers Age of Ultron. So this is really good. I ordered 3 DVDs, so I wasn't sure which one this was. This is good, and make sure it's in there. Yes, it's in there. And a little Marvel Extras page as well. So this is really good. I love Age of Ultron. I didn't have it, so now I can add this to my movie shelf. I decided to start expanding my movie shelf as well, because like obviously that's the inspiration for a lot of, well, not a lot of, all of the MCU action figures that I collect. Yeah, so I wanted to start getting the source material because like the comics are cool and all, but the movies are where it's at. And so yeah, I guess next I'll do the mystery one because I really want to know what this is. So let's get right into it. Okay. Yes! This is awesome. Okay. I got the Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 2 Gamora loose. Got a good deal off of her, and she comes with all of her accessories. I think actually one of these accessories that she comes with isn't even hers, because when I look at other ones, she only came with 2 accessories. So let's go through these just to see what's up. So the first one, I know for sure is she's supposed to come with. This is her long like sword slash blaster. So that looks good. Then there's the handle version, like it with the blade retracted. The double blade didn't really come across. There should be more of a gap. It's supposed to be like 2 blades, but kind of just looks like one. And then she comes with like I'm gonna call it her primary laser blaster. This is the bigger one, and then she also came with a little sidearm. I don't know if she's supposed to have this many weapons. 4 weapons. I don't think, but they look good, and like they do look futuristic. They seem like they would be with her. Oh well, she got a holster. I think that's for. Looks like it'll be for this. Is that for a blaster? Okay, maybe it's for a blaster. No, the big one. No, what's up? Okay, well she's got a sheath on her side for something. It must be for the retracted sword, and I'm just getting it wrong. Yeah, okay. I'm kind of seeing it's the same shape, but that doesn't holster like at all. Either I'm not finding the right thing that's supposed to holster there, or this holster sucks. Because like I can't get that on there. At least on camera. Maybe I'll get it off camera, but see, it doesn't seem to be going in there. Oh, maybe turn it. Okay, well, that doesn't look good, but I got it in there. Okay, I guess that counts. But, so looking at this figure, that looks really good. I believe it's Zoe Saldana is the actor's name. This looks much better than the Volume 1 Gamora. Oh my god. That thing is hideous. These heels, there goes her accessory. These heels look like they're going to be very difficult to get her to stand, but as long as the ankle mobility is there, it should be alright. But that looks really good, so I'm pretty happy with that. And let's go for the last one, which is an in-package figure, I think. But let's see what's in here. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, because it's the special 10th episode of Action Figure Unboxing with Steve, I decided to, for one, actually name the series now, and for two, I wore my special Venom shirt, because it's Venom. And so here we got Magneto, the master of magnetism. This guy is incredibly rare. There's almost no Magneto figures out there that are good, for one, and for two, he's the main villain of the X-Men, so every single collector is looking for him. So I got here the X-Men 97 retro card version. So I think this figure, even though it does have some issues that some other reviewers have said, such as it being a little bit short in scale, as well as the hands not being purple, that's accurate to the show. It was something that bothered me, and then the fact there's no accessories also kind of sucks. He doesn't have any magnetism accessories, but the overall figure is pretty good. The cape isn't all floating because it's not removable. I hate that when they're all all over the place. So that's pretty good. The head sculpt is decent. I was kind of hoping for a sharper helmet, but overall I like the aesthetic that they're going with the darkened eyes. It looks very much like how he does in the show. And on the back, of course, we can see the figures that you can collect from this wave, which I already have the Storm and Bishop, and now Magneto. The other ones don't look bad, but I just have other versions of those characters, so I don't think I need them. And I'm really happy to have this guy, and I think I might actually... Well, I don't know. We'll see. He looks really good. I'm happy to have him. I'm just deciding if I want to take him out of the package or not. I might keep him in the package because he's so rare. This guy's really hard to come by. But I'll decide on that another time. Anyway, I'm really happy to have both of these in my collection. If you like this video, hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button so you stay up to date on everything Marvel Legends from me on my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.